Good morning, dragons. So Tyler has asked about getting to his Google Drive from home. I'm going to give you a couple different things to try, Tyler. So the first thing you should do is go down here to Show Hidden Icons. See if your Google Drive file stream shows there. If it does, click on it. Mine, we can see it's syncing to my school account for my classes at Ivy Tech. So I'm going to go over here to Preferences and switch accounts to my teacher account. And it looks like mine's going to work by doing that. So you guys should have the same thing if it asks you to sign in. Remember to sign in is your first name, period, last name, at sacs.k12.in.us for most people. Some of you, if you have someone else that shares the same first and last name, you might have an initial in there in the middle. You can always look that up in PowerSchool. Once you get this window, you can go ahead and close it, and you should have your Google Drive over here. For our school computers, it might be a little trickier, because if it still doesn't show up over here, you may need to do 3 group updates. Unfortunately, I'm not at school, so I can't give you all of the steps for a group update. But you would go to this PC, and then you would go to C, and then in here you would have a CMT Tech, and inside that CMT Tech folder, usually the very bottom was GP Update for group update. And you could do that 3 times to see if you could get your Google Drive to show up over here. If you do not see the Google Drive icon over here, you can go to the Cortana window and type Drive and double click to start the app. I hope that helps. If none of those things get your Google Drive, I think we need to get you in touch with Miss Leininger, and I will look up her extension at work and put it in this discussion as well. Have a great e-learning day. Hope this helps, guys. Thank you for using the discussion, Tyler. Great job.